This is Tailgate Talk, presented by Tarpon Blue.
Let's take a ride. In this series, we're going to show you everything Texas and its surrounding southern states has to offer, right here from our very own tailgate.
We'll take you from life on the farm and the ranch to the big city lights. This is Tailgate Talk. Come along for the ride. Welcome to Tailgate Talk. I'm Katie Abermite.
I'm Darla Wallace.
We're coming to you today from the Tarpon Blue kitchen, where we're in the St. Patrick's Day spirit. Join us while we make a few cocktails and a charcuterie board. All right, Darla, let's get started with our drink. Here's a cup for you, and one for me. I'm going to get started with this ginger beer. We're making an Irish mule, so it's a little bit of a twist on a Moscow mule. We're going to use some Jameson Irish whiskey. We're going to use our ginger beer, and then we have some lime here. I've already put some ice in the cups. The recipe calls for 6 ounces of ginger beer, but if you like more, you can add more to taste, or if you like less, you put less. So I'm going to go ahead and put mine in.
All right.
I'm just going to put it all. And then we're going to take our Jameson, and I do not have a measure, so we're just going to eyeball this. And we're about 2 ounces to taste. A little more, a little less, whatever you'd like. Here you go.
1, 2.
Okay. And then some lime.
Okay.
I'm going to squeeze mine in there. Stir it up.
You know, I like Moscow mules, so hopefully this is as good as that.
Yes.
2. I like a lot of lime.
Go ahead. There's plenty. All right, let's taste test it. That's refreshing.
Very good. I like
It
it.
is very good. Darla, you know what would be great to go with these drinks?
What?
A charcuterie board.
Oh, yeah. I like that. I like that idea a lot.
Will you show me how to make one?
Sure.
All right,
Absolutely.
great. Let's get this stuff.
Let's do that. Okay, so let's see what all we have here.
Okay.
We have these bagel crisps and some avocado chips. We have some garlic herb cheese with this nice green casing on it. Pretty cool. Bell pepper with some ranch inside. Our little pot of pecans.
Gotta have pecans.
I know, absolutely. And then here we have some green cheddar cheese. Love the green. And on the bottom, we do have some pepper jack. Let's see. We have an avocado, which we have made guacamole out of and stuffed it back in there. These are some dried pea crisps and some green olives.
Those are my
I
favorite.
know, I love green olives. They're so good. Some green grapes, okra, some small kosher pickles, and this over here is spinach artichoke dip.
Okay.
All right. We have some cucumbers, bell pepper, and broccoli. Did I get everything? Oh, I need this is
Salami.
peppered salami. So.
All right,
All
great.
right. Well, you ready to put it all together?
Yeah, I can't wait to see how you do it.
Okay.
Show me your ways.
All right.
All right, Darla, what do you want to get started with?
Let's get all the stuff on the board and then we'll build around it. So let's.
Okay.
Can you hand me that artichoke dip?
Sure.
We're gonna put that on here. And is there anything else? Oh, maybe the avocado. Let's do this. We'll put that. I'm gonna kind of do this. No, I don't like that there. We'll just leave it in the back. How about that?
Okay, that sounds good.
So now what we want to do is just kind of build around it with all of our different items. So
Okay.
let's start with the green cheese. I am all about the green cheese.
There you go.
Okay.
Definitely notice the green theme on the board.
Yeah, yeah. So we are doing this. We are definitely in the St. Patrick's spirit. So we thought we would just have fun with this. So you have never made a charcuterie board before?
No, I have not.
Well, I've only done it a few times, but I did find out that charcuterie was actually invented in 15th century France. Did you
Oh
know
wow,
that?
no, I did not know that.
Yeah, so it's kind of, I guess you would say it's one of those things that trended and has come back around. And so people are doing it because in 2020 everybody was home with the pandemic, and they just decided to do some fun stuff, and anyway, so it's become very popular.
Have some snacky foods around.
And you're actually called, if you do this for a living, you're called a charcuterie influencer.
Oh.
So maybe we'll be influencers when we're done with
Yeah,
this.
maybe we'll be a charcuterie influencer before long.
Yeah, we're kind of making a little flower out of this.
I like it. That looks cute.
Yeah, all right.
Okay.
Okay.
What else would you like?
Let's maybe go with some of the green stuff, like maybe some broccoli.
Okay. Here's the broccoli,
Mhm.
and here's the bell peppers. I'm gonna move these chips out of the way because I think we'll use those last.
Yeah, those we can probably put those on last. Kind of fill in where we need them. We'll just. Alright, 1, 2 more pieces. Alright. Okay, so now we'll fill in with some bell peppers.
All right.
I know, let's do these over here by the, I think these would go good with this artichoke dip, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what on this board do you like, Katie?
Well, I'm definitely a fan of the cheese and the artichoke dip, the ranch. I probably just like it all.
Oh,
I mean,
me too.
the
So
okra, I
next-
love,
me
love
too.
pickled okra.
I think pickled okra is probably my favorite. Let's do some decorating around
All
here.
right.
Let's go with some of this now. Cucumbers. Okay, so now, since we have all of this green on here, we kind of want to fill in with our meat.
Okay.
So let's do the peppered salami next. And we'll just kind of put some.
I think it would be good to, it's probably hard to see if you just laid it flat in the front.
Yeah, maybe so. You're a little bit taller, maybe you
Yeah.
can do that.
Okay. I like that we rolled up the pieces also. Makes it easier to
And then
grab.
these, we're just gonna set maybe like this so they can be picked up very easily.
Okay.
All right, so now let's do the pea crisps.
Okay, great.
I had never tried these until just recently. Michaela showed these to me.
Oh, did she?
Yeah, they're really good. Do you like them?
I do.
Did you?
I tried one a little while ago. That's how come I'm not good at making charcuterie boards, because I like to snack on it while I make them.
Yeah.
And I just don't ever
So
get finished.
kind of like when I'm cooking in the kitchen and my kids come and eat all the food before it's done.
Your kids do that?
Yes,
My
they
mom
do.
always used to get mad at us for doing that.
I hide it in the oven and tell them they can't touch it. Chicken fried deer steak, that's the one that they always get a hold of.
That's the same thing in our family.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, and now let's throw in some little black olives. And while I'm doing this, if you want to add grapes,
Okay, great.
we can kind of do this at the same time. And
I like that you can just kind of put stuff on here, and yes, you need to have a little bit of an eye, but also you can't really mess it up too bad.
no, just kind of do whatever you want. I mean, I know some people with the meat, they do really pretty flowers and stuff like that.
I know that there probably somebody is out there watching us saying, no, there's a science to this.
Yes.
And I respect that opinion, but I
Oh,
also
absolutely.
think that
There's some,
it's easy for an amateur to do as well.
yeah, I mean, there's some that are very artistic, obviously, that, this is not artistic, but it's going to taste really good. So
I don't know, I think it looks really good too.
maybe a couple of pickles in there.
Maybe right over there by the bell peppers.
Okay, that's good. Let's try this.
There you go.
We'll just do those right here.
You could probably put a couple there in the front too.
There we go. Oh. And then last, we're gonna put some of the chips on here to be able
Okay.
to use for some of the dips. So we'll just put one in here and one in here, make it look nice and cute. And we'll take some of these bagel crisps. And we'll just add them like that. And then maybe, let's see, maybe right here. What do you think? Maybe some here. What about some more chips?
I think that's a good idea. Maybe just
In the dip?
yeah, we can just throw them in there.
Wow, look at us.
Not quite charcuterie board influencers, but pretty close.
No, this is really nice. I like it. I can't wait to try it.
I know, me too. Darla, thank you so much for showing me how to make a charcuterie board. I'm definitely going to make one for my next party.
This was definitely a lot of fun. We'll have to do this again. Thank you so much for joining this episode of Tailgate Talk. If this is something that you would like to see again from our Tarpon Blue kitchen, just let us know. Put it in the comments.
Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you next time on Tailgate Talk.
Thanks for tuning in today, and thank you to our guests for sharing their story.
Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you next time on Tailgate Talk.
We'll tell you things you might not